What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben with the TV2, and today I have another unboxing for you. Anyway, back to the important stuff. As you know, I'm all about delivering frequent and high quality reviews on my channel. Have you ever had your leg run over by a truck? Have you ever been to visit a prostitute and she's just shoved your... I don't know. Has your dick ever come out black?
No!
This is just not going well. The anecdotes here are not firing off. But anyway, we are currently reviewing this week the Supreme Stone Island Spring Summer 2019 collab. Now this is the yellow hoodie that my mate Bite Size, who is in his room over there preparing for when Bay arrives. This is the latest collab and he picked this up today, and I'm generally just doing a showing video of just what it looks like. It's an expensive piece of clothing, not gonna lie. I mean that's the only bit of it I like. The only problem is though, if you wear Stone Island about in London, which is where I live here. So this is my room, by the way. I haven't really given a full tour of the flat, but this is my room, also referred to as the wank box. So you've all seen the wank box now. You can tell all your friends about it. Oh yeah, and eat broccoli so you don't die. But anyway, back on to the review. And yeah, the hoodie itself looks like something a homeless man has worn for 3 weeks before it's actually been sold to anyone. It's got this dirty sort of green on it, and it's difficult to describe, but it's almost khaki-like. This is supposed to be the yellow version. And yes, while you can see the yellow there, if you see that as well, it's stained to the point it's almost a green. It's like they put these accidentally in the wash and with a load of black jeans or something. I don't know what they've done, but it's an interesting look. I guess some people, if you've got the attractive features that many modern humans have, the Instagram types, you could maybe pull this off. But yeah, good quality. It's a thick hoodie, to be fair. I'm not even sure what size this one is. This one is... well, it's a hoodie.
Fuck your bitch, I'ma fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch, I'ma fuck your...
So, yes, after that informative and lengthy video that I've given you all this week, please remember to just keep living, really. And what have we got in here? A little prick. That is the plug, everyone. He's the man that got this hoodie. So yeah, I think it's about 250 quid retail. It's a decent enough quality hoodie. There it is stood up. Haven't been the most informative, but I'm trying to show it in the light. And you know what, actually, with its shit things, the only things that I dislike about it are these buttons here. They're a bit... I think they are actual legit. Oh no, they're poppers. They're poppers, so I don't really rate those poppers, but everything else on there, it seems to be okay. Cool enough logo in the middle, and again, there's a Stony badge on the side, you can't really go wrong. But is it worth 250 quid? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments, guys, and peace out.
When you walk through a storm, hold
One.
oh.